Hello everyone, this is Kacise China. Today, we are introducing an aquaculture dedicated dissolved oxygen sensor, KW630. It adopts a new generation fluorescence technology and is equipped with self-developed high-performance fluorescent material. It does not consume oxygen, has no flow rate limitation. The sensor has a built-in temperature sensor with automatic temperature compensation. It uses an 485 rupees interface, and Modbus RTU protocol is factory calibrated and can be installed and used directly. Requires no electrolyte and is not affected by hydrogen sulfide, delivering excellent accuracy and stability. It is specifically customized for the aquaculture market and offers extremely high-cost performance. The product parameter table is shown on the right side of the video below. Installation and wiring. There is an installation thread on the top of the sensor with a thread size of M22 x 1.5, allowing threaded or clamp installation. Before installation, please remove the rubber protective cap. Do not bump or damage the sensor probe during use. We use a 4-core shielded twisted pair cable with clear wiring order. Red to 12 to 24 VDC, black to GND, green to RS485A, white to RS485B. How to read sensor measurements via Modbus commands. I will demonstrate how to use Modbus to read measurement values. The default communication settings of the KWS 630 sensor are baud rate 9600, 8 data bits, 1 stop bit, no parity. The default Modbus address of the sensor is 001, and the broadcast address is 0xFF. If we do not know the sensor address, we can use the broadcast address to access it. Enter the send command FF03. Using function code 03 to read address 3000. Then read one register. The function code 0x300 is used. Click send. And we can see the sensor response. F030201000. 0100 is the data we need, where 01 is the Modbus address of this sensor. Now we use address 01 to read the sensor measurement values. First, send the command 0103260000006. Click send. And we obtain this data string. The first 4 bytes represent the temperature value. The next 4 bytes represent the dissolved oxygen percentage. And the last 4 bytes represent the dissolved oxygen concentration in mgl. The data is in DCBA format floating point, which needs to be converted into decimal floating point values. Data parsing example. First, let's look at the temperature value. 51B08C41. Reverse to 418CB051. We open the conversion tool. Enter 418C051 and click Convert. The temperature is 17.58 degrees Celsius, and click Convert. The temperature is 17.58 degrees Celsius. Next is the dissolved oxygen percentage, B206853F, reversed to 3F8506B2. After conversion, the dissolved oxygen percentage is 1.039. Finally, the dissolved oxygen value is 258A1E41, reversed to 411E8A25. After conversion, the dissolved oxygen measured by the sensor is 9.90 milligrams L. The video presentation of the KWS 630 Aquaculture dedicated dissolved oxygen sensor is finished. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.